stopping this. Who's Regis?
Good job, girl.
Mr. Pasley! They're coming. I'm carrying my phone.
Oh, you recording?
I am too.
I'm recording with like 3 other teachers too. Winnie. Aww.
Group of mimes.
Oh, you like that?
Winnie, was doing a picture. A little later.
Like 5 seconds. 2 by 10.
Why are we going through there? There's more in. I thought you were gonna like. Oh, there's one.
I saw colors. I lost him.
Is that my son? Is that my son?
Say hi, my mom.
Son! Son! Is that my son? Is my son? Can I see my reflection very quickly? I guess my
Madness.
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 Mohawk. Where are we going in?
We're later and later every single time we come in. We should get rolling back. I don't think so. We're gonna go.
Chloe! Chloe! Okay. Say hi. We didn't even get in this time. Like the first time we were like right in the 4th row, and the last time we were in the last row. No, this time we're not even in there. It sucks.
We're not gonna be going in.
Come on.